Hello everyone, I'm Shwati. In this video, we are going to see how to streamline your field sales and also your order processing. Let's start with some of the common challenges. So basically, if you are a distributor or if you are into any type of distribution business, you can be a stockist, wholesaler, or super stockist. Sometimes you can be a manufacturer who does the direct distribution. So, in any distribution business, the major cause of a concern when you are expanding your business is whether your salespersons are working in your field. Are they going to the customer's place and taking the order, or are they taking over the call? So these are all the common, challenges that you might face. And another common challenge is like sometimes you will be waiting for your salesperson's WhatsApp message, which is the order I'm talking about. Your salesperson might be taking the order, and through WhatsApp he will be sharing. So there is a possibility of mismatches in the order. So we will deliver the wrong item to the customer. And next is like sometimes like you might be waiting for your salesperson to come to the office at the evening after taking all the orders, and the processing, which means the packing of the goods, will happen only at the evening. So it is a kind of late night. So it will delay the dispatch, like probably on a day, 2 days to deliver the goods. As your salesperson is collecting the payment, obviously you have to track it down and you have to make the system streamlined and keep your customers happy. So that is the end goal of automating and also digitizing your business operations. Let's start with the small steps, which is I'm going to talk only about the sales processes in this video. And obviously, Distributor can do more than that, a lot of things that Distributor can cover. We can see that step by step. If you are new to this, like if you are just doubtful about like that, I need to automate my processes or not. I just have only two salesperson. Do I need the software? Well, this video is going to answer for all that, because it doesn't matter whether you have a two salesperson or three salesperson or 30 salesperson. You have to have your operations managed and streamline your field sales to expand your business. So let's get started. So I'm opening the FMCG demo account. If you do not have the access to this demo account, go to our distributor.com, click on the sign up button and fill in all the basic details. At last, you will get a form. Fill up the form, you will get this access to the FMCG demo. If you do not know how to do it, just ping us on care@distributor.com. I will attach the email ID in the description of video. Well, so this is the home page. Like if you have seen the previous videos, like you would know, but still I'm repeating. In this home page, you will be checking the sales performance, collection performance, which means like overall sales, daily sales, monthly sales, and yearly sales. Overall collection performance, daily collection, monthly collection, yearly collection. This will display the overall amount. Let's say if you have like 3 salesperson or 30 salesperson, all 30 salespersons collection, all 30 salespersons sale will be displaying it. If you want to check it in the chart format, you can check it by grouping by monthly or quarterly or so, like whichever the filter works for you. And also this report period, you can filter it for a month or quarter or a year or previous financial year even. And you can filter this complete by, for if you want to check it for the specific salesperson, or if you want to check it first mostly brands as in like companies that you might have to handle multiple companies, for example like Nestle and Britannia. That's what I meant by company. So you can filter that by the specific brand, and you can check this chart. So through this chart you will get a clear idea about whether your sales is performing well or not. Okay, so let me just go into this left menu part. So we are going to see specifically on the sales, right? So we have one mobile application and one web application. With the, like if you subscribe to Distributor, you will be given mobile application and also a web application. So mobile application is for your salesperson to do the sales in the field, that we can see. Like you can refer to the mobile application video to see like how does that work. So let me just show you, like once you give the mobile application to your salesperson, how your back office routines and order processing is going to look like, and also how you are going to track down the orders, invoices, and the payments and everything. Okay, so let me get started with the sales and orders. I'm clicking on the order. So each and every module have all the help videos and FAQ videos will help you, assist you with. So if you want to explore the software, you can click on this question mark icon. You will find all the videos helpful. So if you still have the doubt, like you can ping us at care@distributor.com. I mentioned the email below. Well, so this is the order. So if you see, there are the orders. So this is the status, amount. This is the salesman name. Like if you have multiple salesmen, you need to know who placed the order. This is the salesman name. This is the customer name, date, and the order number. Okay. So if you click on this filter, you can filter by salesperson, address, status. For example, if you want to see only the confirmed order, confirmed orders is nothing but once your salesperson take an order from the field, the order you will be receiving only in the confirmed state. Okay. So which means those are the orders that you need to process. Process means you need to prepare. Okay. So you can filter it by their statuses, and you can filter it by the salesperson's name, or you can filter it by the customers or the beetroots even. Like, where is the beetroot option? Yeah, here is the beetroot option. Beetroot is nothing but the area. Hope if you are already a software user, you might know. If you are new to the software, beetroot is nothing but the specific area. Okay. So a specific area, as in like you'll be segregating your whole area. For example, if you are covering the 10 kilometers, in 10 kilometers there'll be obviously some 20 areas. Okay, area means Court Road area, or MG Road can be an area, or Indira Nagar can be an area. So each of the areas, and you will be assigning the customers who are situated in that specific area. So we will assign those areas to the salesperson. So we don't have to reassign or assign any of the task every day. So those, like if you assign the beetroots, so that will be reassigned to the salesperson automatically based on the period that you set. For example, if you set every Wednesday he needs to go to Indranagar beetroot, every Wednesday automatically the system will assign that. So you don't have to worry about that. Okay. So let me just coming back to this orders page. So here is the two confirmed orders. Okay. Others are invoiced. Invoiced means already the invoice is being like present. So this is a shitty shop, and also this is a super deals. I'll just click on this one. So like this, like multiple orders that you can select. So click on this order selected drop down. Can you see this order selected drop down? Here, you have to click. If you click on this product by speaking list, it will generate like a PDF. Okay. So through this PDF, you will get to know how many products that you need to pick from the warehouse. So you can pick multiple products from the warehouse. For example, if you are selecting more than one order, it will show the multiple order and also multiple products. So it will not get repeated. Instead, it will show like totally how many products that you need to pick from your warehouse. Okay. So you don't have to carry the invoices in hand and going into the warehouse and picking the products based on the invoice. That is a hassle and time taking. Okay, once you pick the products, you have to download the customer wise packing list, which means like you have picked all the products. Right now you need to segregate those products for the specific customer. Right now we have selected only the super deals and also one order, and for that order these many products needs to be packed. And if you have selected multiple, it will show the customer name here again, another one, and the order number again here, and the products that needs to be packed for that specific order and that specific customer. Okay, this will ease the process, and it will also reduce the time. As per the existing user of our customer, it is reducing the time per order for like 15 to 20 minutes of time that they can save through this process. Okay, not I'm not including the field sales processes. I'm just telling specifically for the order processing. For order processing per order, like people are saving 15 minutes at least. Okay, so this is how the processing has to be done. So now we have processed. If you see, the status has been automatically changed to the processing state. Can you see that it is in yellow color? Well, once you process these orders, like you can directly generate the invoice within a click, which means like invoice get created within a single click. Okay, so once you get created to the invoice, like you can see, like there are some of the statuses like delivered, closed, dispatched, and again delivered. So what are these? Because like once you are like processing the invoice, like by default it will be in the ready state. If you see, one of the invoices in the ready state. Okay, after you process the order, like you can dispatch it. Once you load all the goods to the van and you give it to your delivery person or again the salesperson, you mark it as dispatched. So once your delivery person or the salesperson going into the field and delivering these, so he will be marking it as delivered from the field. So you will get to know like what all invoices are delivered today and what all are pending. So like that you can check. So this way you can avoid the hassle. So whenever you create the invoice, so the outstanding amount will get automatically updated to the customer's profile. So if you see, like I'm just opening one of the customer's profile, if you see the outstanding balance is 1040 rupees, it will get automatically updated here. So when your salesperson is going, obviously you are working in the credit basis most probably. If you are working in the credit basis, you need to manage your outstanding properly. You don't have to ask your salesperson to carry any book to check the outstanding or to carry any of the invoices. Okay, you can ask your salesperson to just open the Distributo mobile app and open the customer's profile to check the outstanding. So once he can check the outstanding, he will be collecting the payment. The payment can be collected via multiple modes, for example cash or NEFT or UPI, any mode, like even a check and everything. Okay, so he will be collecting the payment from the field. Once he collects the payment from the field, so those payments will be reflected here in the open state. Okay, open state, the amount will be there, who has collected the payment, all the details will be there. So once your salesperson is collecting the payment, he will be at the end of the day, he will come to the back office and giving it to any of the manager or even to the admin, like when it is a small team. Okay. Once you receive the cash or once you see the proof of each and every payment, you can just mark the payments as accounted in bulk. Okay. I'm selecting these three payments, I'm marking it as accounted. So once it gets accounted, the outstanding will get automatically adjusted. You do not have to manually change the outstanding. So this will reduce the huge time. It's a huge time saver, and also it's a money saving matrix. So you don't have to have any complex in writing and changing, and whether the payment has been created or not, whether there is a proof of the payment or not. So your salesperson can right away share the receipt to your customer, or you can enable the SMS notification. We have the option. There is an option to enable the SMS notification in Distributo, so that you can enable. And by any chance, if any of your product is damaged or expired, your salesperson himself can take the return from the field and get it approved from the back office staff after checking whether it got like return is like return we can process or not. Once you generate the return, there is an option in Distributo to directly create the credit note for it. Okay. Once you approve this return, it will directly create the credit note, which means you can assign this credit note to the next order that the customer is going to place. So you don't have to manage it via cash. So you can just allocate this cash to next order that he is going to make. So like that will get adjusted there. Okay. So this is the sales part. Like overall, you can streamline the whole sales processes. One. Second, how to ensure that your salesmen are like working productively or not. So there are three ways that we have. Okay. Three ways of tracking that you can do. One is visit tracking. Second is like geofencing. And third is we have location tracking. So I'm opening each and everything to see like how does it work. I'm opening my own account right now. Let's check out the transactions. If I click on the recent transactions, it is showing all the transactions done by the user Swati, and this is the location history. Like it will track all my locations. And next is the visit option. Like if I mark the visit, like that visit with image and comment, it will come. So what is visit option? So visit option by default, it is there just like creating an order in mobile application. There'll be an option there that will let your salesperson to take the live photograph of the shop and upload with the comment. For example, if he is going to the shop and the shop owner is not ready to take the order, so he can mention like taking the picture like visited but no transaction, like that. Even in your own native language you can mention. So through that way you'll get to know like, yes, this salesperson has visited this shop, but yet to like the retailer did not take any order for. Okay, let me see if any of the visit that I have marked is present. Yeah, if you see like there is one visit that I have marked on December 3 at this time. This is the picture that I have taken. Okay, so it will show the picture and also a location from where that I have marked this visit for. So you can ensure that your salesperson is in the field and going to the customer's counter. So he is not working from home, calling and taking the order. So you can just be peaceful sitting in the office thinking, yes, our team is working perfectly fine. Next is the location history. So this is a kind of a CCTV camera. So if your salesperson's performance is not really great, so that time you can check it out. So whenever your salesperson is making any of the transactions, specifically when he is creating a new customer or order or payment or return, that time the location will get automatically captured, and also it will show like where and all like your salesperson is moving in the map. Okay, this is not the live tracking. This is the tracking will happen just to ensure that your salesperson is working in the field, especially in the customer's location or not. So whenever he marks anything, whenever he makes any of the transactions, those locations will get captured and you can ensure he is going to the field. And third is the geofencing. Geofencing, we cannot see the data, but what is geofencing? Let me explain in the gist. So geofencing is nothing but when you set the limit for your salesperson. Let's say if you are adding all the customers' location, so we will be adding all the customers' locations. So your salesperson can follow the route automatically by using the Google map. So after adding all the customers' location, if you enable the geofencing option, if you see here, geofence. So if you enable the geofence orders, so fence radius meters it will show, which means like 100 meter. Our suggestion is to keep at least 50. So you can keep 100. Okay. So if you keep it as 100 meter, so for example, if your salesperson is going into the field, but not going to the customer place, but somewhere else, if he is trying to make the transaction or take the order from, software will not let your salesperson to take the order. It will ask your salesperson to go to the customer's place and take the order. So this option specifically, if you have a big team, this option is going to be really helpful because we cannot track each and every person's location or visits. In that case, like we can just ask them, enable the geofencing and make sure your salesperson is going to the field and taking the order. Okay, so this is it. This is how we actually like streamline the field sales. And another option I forgot to mention is in the reports. Like I would say, there are a lot of reports that are available for you to check the productivity of your salesperson. So like there are salesman performance report or salesman wise sales report, so all these are available. So you can just type the keyword and search. So based on that, like you will get all the reports. Like for example, collection by salesman, outstanding invoices by salesman, sales by salesman, salesman performance report. If you check all these, it will show all this total number of sales he has done, total number of like collections that he has made, how many outstanding invoices this specific salesperson have. All right, I think we are clear with our words. For more details and for more detailed demo, like you can watch our long demo video. And also, if you're still not clear about it, you can click on this question mark icon to see the help videos, which are which might help you through. And for the reports, you have to click on the reports, and you can download the reports in Excel format and see whether this report works for you or not, and everything. You can check it out. So if you like this software, if you find it like it is going to like help your business streamline the business operations and everything, feel free to contact us. Below I have attached our email, care@distributor.com, and sign up to Distributo to explore more, and you will get more videos like this to explore further. And if you want a live demo, ask our team, contact our team, request for that demo, and we can have a customized live demo for free. Thank you so much for watching. We will connect again.